Everyone, today I will be showing you how to make a boomerang paper airplane that comes back to you when you throw it. So first you're gonna fold it in half like this. Next you're gonna unfold it, and then you're gonna fold the corners like triangles, just like how you would normally make a normal paper airplane. And now, this time you're gonna fold this down a bit like this. Then you're going to fold this like this, just like how we did earlier. Then you're going to fold this up and this down just a bit. And then you're gonna flip it around. You're going to fold it like that. Then fold like this. Then do the same thing with the other side. And now you might think we're done, but trust me, we're not. We're not done. So you're going to fold the sides like this. And then for the back, you're going to just do this like a tiny bit, so it's a bit like that on both sides, and then you're done. This is your boomerang paper airplane. So hopefully this helped with you guys, and please subscribe. I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers. That would be really nice. And please like my videos. I'm not begging you, but it would be nice if you could. Bye bye!